Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here we have a new plane, man. This plane right here, man, came from a friend named Mitchell. If you guys want to check out his YouTube is Mitchmo 5000, man. I will leave a link in the description to his YouTube channel, man. He does a lot of nice little mashups with these goblins and stuff, man. He's doing pretty good with this stuff right now. This is a 140% of the Goblin with a tail section. It got a regular T-tail section like your regular plane, so it's a 4-channel. It has two 2600 kV motors, 5x3 tri-props, and 4 9-gram servos. That's basically it. I'm running the 3S right now, 2200. Let's try that. Whoa! Whoa! That is like rocket smooth. Wow! Kind of wanted to tip the wing right there. Wow. Trying to get used to her so I can bring her a little closer. Wow. This thing is rock smooth. Like butter smooth. Right now I am shaking. I wish I had another camera so I could show you. Now this is not a click and trim. Now the only thing I'm gonna have to trim, I think, honestly, nothing. Thought I was gonna have to trim the rudder a little bit. But wow, I definitely need some tape on there so that way I can see it. Whoa. Wow, Mitch, you did it with this one. You did it with this one. I'm gonna bring her down. Whew. Whew. Whew, we had to watch my family right there. Oh my goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. That is one amazing feeling. Bro, that feels so amazing. That literally feels so amazing. So I'm gonna show you what is in there. All right, guys. So that is the little surprise for this plane. Now you can't see it right now because obviously it is pretty bright right now. But what I'm going to try to do is I'm gonna mix in my elevator with my, I'm gonna mix my rudder with my ailerons. So that way it turns a little better. We have our rudder mixed into our aileron, so that should be a little smoother. Wow. Yeah, I need a little bit more rates on low. It should be fine. But I can see those lights on the tips. And she turns much better now. Daddy. Yes? This you. Yeah. See? You look at that. Look how smooth that is. Bring her in for another close low pass. Watch that child over there. Wow. Now this is high rates. I can go a little higher. So what I'm gonna do is, what I have for my high rates, I'm gonna use as low. And my high rates, I'm gonna go way higher. Look at that. I'll try to get it a little closer so that way you guys can see the light. Wow. Forgot to set my timer, so I'm gonna set that up right now. Get right above us. Look at that. Wow. Inverted is not no problem, man. I think this is one of the best planes that I flew so far. that I've scratch built besides, let me see, the Mustangs. Ooh, look at that rudder. That rudder is amazing. Now this is a 3S. So, that being said, with a 4S, I am definitely gonna be much faster. Now let's see if I can keep it in this park. This park is definitely much smaller. Wow. So he said this basically, all right, that was 1 minute. Based off of the atomic, what is it, the dragon plane? Forgot, the swordfish, I'm sorry. Yeah, the swordfish, that's what it is. Now, it definitely does look like a fish. That's what my wife said when she first seen it. Wow, look at that. Wow. Can we knife edge? No. Yeah, I shouldn't try to do that with this type of aircraft, right? Wow. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring her down and we're gonna wait for a little calmer weather. Look at that, wow. We're gonna do one more low pass. Look at that. Wow. All right, let's bring her right down in right now. That was smooth. We literally have 2 minutes left, but I flew a little bit the first time and then I turned on the battery, so let's check where we at right now. Yeah, we're at 63. You can fly a little bit more, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some final trimming and adjusting, so that way when it gets dark, we are gonna be able to fly with no problem. So we have about 2 more minutes without frying this battery. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fly, we're gonna turn the timer on until we hear 2 beeps. When we hear the second beep, that's when we can come down. This thing is smooth, man. Shout out Mitch, man. I'm gonna start doing a couple more of his builds, man, cause sheesh. Look how smooth this flies. Wow. And I could technically fly about 10 minutes or 8 minutes, well, 8 minutes on a 2200, so that's amazing. Wow. That rudder authority, especially since I got it mixed in there. Wow. Now imagine some, look at that. That's that rudder. Now imagine some FPV gear on here. That's what I should add next, right? Look at that. I like doing low passes with this because it's so smooth. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, I could keep it in a relatively small park, especially if I up the trims. Right now I have it set to smooth, so I'm gonna keep it right now like this until I get used to the plane. Wow. All right, let's prepare for a landing because I feel like the second click, little beep, is about to come soon. So, wow. See how it does invert it over there. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Now, compared to the regular Goblin, I'm gonna be honest, there you go, that's that second beep. Let's bring her down. Wow. That's like 10% throttle right there. Smooth butter, smooth butter. This is definitely a little better compared to the regular Goblin, especially because you're going from 2 channels all the way to a full functioning 4-channel plane. So you have full ability to do more tricks and more control of the plane. So what we're gonna do is now we're gonna wait till it gets a little dark and we're gonna fly at nighttime. Man, honestly, this is a great flying plane. Now the only thing I have to do is I have to fix, like, this is my literally my third servo. I know everybody keeps saying in the flight test group, these are bad, these are bad, these are bad, but this is the only thing I have available right now. So I gotta make do. I gotta make do. I'm sorry. All right, family. So, now I have a little bit more weight in there right now because I'm using a 4S. I don't know why I forgot to charge my other 3S 2200. So let's take this right up there. Wow. Wow, that is nice. It handles that weight pretty good. Wow. Wow, look at that. I'm trying to keep her a little close because I really can't see too much. That's why I need like a lot of lights on my plane. But since this is actually good with power and it handles very, very well, I'm gonna actually add the rest of the lights on there for the Maiden. Wow. This is smooth. Now, I was gonna keep her in there a little longer, but there is a lot of people here, so I'm gonna bring her down. Look at that. Wow. Let's do one little low pass. Wow. That 4S is crazy. Wow. Now let's go ahead and bring her in. Wow. Wow. Throttle cut on. That is smooth. That is smooth like baby butter. So what I'm going to do is, look at that. That is amazing. That is amazing. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna add some lights right here at the bottom. And since I already can know what the top is, and I'm gonna try to add some lights on the tail section. And that's it. That's it, guys. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about this plane. Would you fly this? Would you build this? Honestly, I would recommend everybody to get this. Even a beginner, honestly, even a beginner, because it's just so butter smooth, like literally butter smooth, guys. This is definitely a thumbs up. Shout out to Mitch again. I'm definitely gonna leave a link in the description to his channel so that way you can check out what he did with this. And we're gonna take it from there, guys. That was it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay creative.